In this video, I will talk about sending lesson activities to students via Snow.live. As a teacher, you can send activities as assignments to your students so that they can practice or test their knowledge. Begin by creating a class and adding your students to it. From the top menu in Snow.live, select Class and then Manage Students. Here, you can create a new class of students or edit an existing one. To create a new class, you can either import the file directly from Google Classroom or from your computer as a CSV file, or enter the students one by clicking on Add a new class. Type in a name for your class. Then, start adding your students to it. You can either type in their names and emails, or, if you have a list with their emails, by selecting I have an email list and pasting that into the text field. If you add the students one by one, type their names in the text field and press Add. A pop-up window will appear where you can add the student's email if they have one. If they don't, press Student has no email. When you are done, click on the Add Student icon. If you have entered an email for your student, a mail will be sent to them with instructions on how to start using lesson activities. Otherwise, a pop-up will appear with the student's username and password. Please write these down and hand them out to your students. Once you have finished adding your students to the classroom, you can start sending them lesson activities as homework or assessment. Just go to the lesson you wish to send, click on the Kebab menu, and then Send to Student. In the next screen, you will be able to select the class and then which of your students to send the lesson to. Here, you can also set a due date when the students should have completed the activity, as well as when to send the lesson activity. Click on Send the assignment once you are done. To see how your students are doing, click on Class and then Review Progress. Here, you can see which activities you have sent out to your students. Clicking on one, you will be able to see how well each student has done on this activity. If it was an assessment type activity, clicking on the student's name will also display exactly what the student got right or wrong.